They said luxury motorhomes couldn't shock the automotive world in 2026, until the 2026 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome arrived, a two-level rolling mansion rewriting performance, power, and prestige forever. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome stands tall, chrome grille gleaming like a fortress, stretched wheelbase commanding attention, upper deck windows hinting at a second-level penthouse suite inside. Step closer and you see polished steel, aerodynamic refinements, LED lighting signatures glowing like a futuristic luxury car concept. But here's the twist, and beneath that mansion exterior hides brute diesel performance engineered for dominance, not decoration. This is Car Review meets architectural revolution, automotive tech meets rolling royalty. Would you trade your supercar for a two-level mansion on wheels? Stay with me, because later I'll reveal the real-world price, fuel consumption shock, and the hidden performance detail that makes this motorhome embarrass traditional RVs and even some luxury cars. On the road, it doesn't crawl, it glides. The steering feels deliberate yet smooth, the suspension absorbs imperfections like a premium SUV, and despite its massive footprint, the driving experience feels controlled, confident, commanding. And just when you think it's only about size, wait until you hear what powers this giant. Drivers lifted phones, kids pointed, and even sports car owners looked confused because nothing this big should move that smoothly. Now imagine this parked in your driveway, 2 floors of freedom, cross-country capability, a luxury car interior with the soul of heavy-duty performance. This isn't camping, it's conquest. And under that iconic hood lives a high-output turbo diesel engine, delivering monstrous horsepower and earth-moving torque. We're talking upwards of 500-plus horsepower and over 1,850 pound-foot of torque, paired with an advanced automatic transmission engineered for seamless power delivery. The reinforced chassis, built on commercial-grade architecture, provides unmatched structural integrity. Air suspension systems adapt to weight shifts from the second level, ensuring stable handling even at highway speed. Massive disc brakes offer confident stopping power despite its weight. Advanced traction management optimizes grip in rain or steep terrain. Top speed? Electronically governed for safety, but highway cruising at 70 miles per hour feels effortless. Fuel consumption isn't sports car efficiency. Expect single-digit MPG under load, but this isn't about saving fuel, it's about commanding the road. Compared to electric RV experiments or hybrid campers, this diesel powerhouse offers range, reliability, and proven long-haul dominance. This machine isn't just transportation, it's freedom, status, presence. You don't drive it, you arrive in it. You don't park, you showcase. Inside, the Sovereign Motorhome feels like future car technology wrapped in handcrafted luxury. Dual-zone climate systems, AI-powered infotainment with voice-controlled cabin management, 360-degree camera arrays, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring. This is automotive tech at a commercial scale. And the digital cockpit rivals modern luxury car dashboards, blending analog toughness with smart displays. Solar roof integration supports onboard battery systems for off-grid living. Smart energy management balances generator output and stored power. Satellite connectivity keeps you online anywhere. Ambient lighting shifts based on time of day. Smart glass windows adjust tint automatically. Even the upper-level suite features automated privacy controls and integrated entertainment panels. This isn't just car innovation, it's a hybrid of heavy-duty engineering and intelligent living space. Compared to electric motorhomes struggling with charging infrastructure, this system delivers independence, autonomy, and confidence. And here's the revelation. Despite its mansion proportions, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Sovereign Motorhome can outlast, outrange, and outcomfort most luxury SUVs, making it not just a vehicle, but a mobile empire.